nothing to do with why you crying, Gavin. Hey guys, look what's out. Just for real, guys. I can't believe this is actually it. Look who's out! Neymar Jr., famous soccer player. Even though I don't honestly know.
You know what? Come on, guys. You know what? Wakanda forever.
Wakanda forever!
Come on, Wakanda forever.
Guys, I'll see you in the match. Can't believe I got that before. Bye, guys. Why can't I turn my controller?
I have to leave the match.
And guys, we are actually playing bodyguard.
What is bodyguard?
I don't know.
Bodyguard.
We'll learn as we
Battle bus. Let me get to the battle bus. What is the bodyguard, man?
Probably because you two are my bodyguards.
No, my bodyguard since I'm a new at Fortnite. No, maybe you should be my bodyguard.
No, my bodyguard.
No, mine. Do you know why? Because I'm better than all of you.
Yeah, but I'm your boss, Gavin.
What did you say?
I'm your boss. And so I'm also... yes I am. You know how I know you're my boss? Wait, Ronan, look what I have. Look what I have. Look what I'm
What
doing.
is bodyguarding do?
I'm doing the butt cheek emote. Butt cheek emote.
Wait, can I do that emote? No, I can't. Instead, how about I kick a llama? Oh, come on. The VIP?
Protect the VIP. Gavin, you're the VIP.
Oh, the VIP?
Yes.
Okay, I'm jumping.
Okay, no, we have to wait for Gavin. Gavin's our boss.
I already jumped. Oh, you gotta protect me.
Ah! Oh, duty cheese.
Why? Why would I do this?
Oh.
Bodyguard.
Look, boss man. Look, I'm calling you boss man from now on.
Okay.
Boss man.
What?
Do you like me to call you boss man or I'm your... Okay. Eliminate 33 VIPs. Ah! Help me! You know he's gonna eat me! I landed in the water! How did I land in water? How did I land in water? For real. That guy saved my life by throwing me in water. Ronan, jump down! Ronan, jump down!
Help me, Roman! Now! I gotta see.
VIP eliminated.
You killed me, Ronan! No! You killed me!
Unspeakable killed me!
Okay, you killed me!
Guys, I'll see you in a match. Hey guys, we're back. Who's gonna be the bodyguard? Let's see. No, Ronan still got a bodyguard?
Oh my god, where's the bodyguard? Help me! Alright,
No!
hooray!
Where are we?
Everybody jump now! Well, at least I can actually save somebody who actually needs help being saved.
Yeah, at least we can protect the bad player and then we'll be...
At least it's easy to protect the body.
Wait, I'm wearing the suit. I'm actually wearing the suit. Wait, I'm gonna put on Axel and I want to see what I look like in the suit when I wear Axel.
Please come on. Did you just call me a lady? Please come on. I will kill you. If you call me a lady, I'm gonna try and kill you.
But look, Ronan, no offense, but I think you're a pretty fat boss.
Roman knows that I hate being called. Well, I cannot pick up weapons.
Yeah, that's why we have to protect you.
Yeah. I have 5 grenades so I can revive one of you. Well, okay. I'm all loose right now, so
really high.
What's that?
Just build up really high.
No, don't. He won't revive you.
I will. I promise I'll revive you.
And once you're done, jump on this. Guys, monster truck.
I'll drive.
No, I drive. Let me get to the back. No, I drive. Guys, I'm the bodyguard and I say who drives.
Hey, you're leaving our boss.
I'm waiting for him to get in. I need him to get in. I'm in.
Get in, boss.
In.
Okay, boss man.
You're literally doing some off-roading.
Oh my gosh, I hate my life.
If you film me right now, I will legitimately.
Oh yeah, Ronan, I'm totally not filming.
Wait, did I just kill somebody?
Yeah.
Wait, did I really kill somebody? Wait. God, I thought I killed somebody for a second. Come on. Gotta get to the. You gotta get to the eye of the storm.
Oh my gosh.
The eye of the storm.
The eye of the storm is that house. I'm poking the eye.
I just wanted to fly this careful. Exactly me. You can't blame me if this thing flips over. It's not my fault.
Yes, it is. Because you're the driver.
Hey guys, really? I'm actually driving and trying to save our lives. Who's the person that's driving and trying to get away from the storm to save society? Who?
Well,
Me. And I'm the one that they're going to...
wait, see a person, guys.
Ah!
Knock one.
Ow! No! Stay with me, I beg! Bye. Welcome, Rogan, for trying to save your life over there.
Okay, I'll res you.
Excuse me. Don't you dare throw me into the storm.
No, I'm putting you in here so no one can shoot us when I revive you.
I can revive all of you, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully though. Wait, okay, I know what I'm gonna do.
They added crash pad. I forgot. Okay, now crash
Did you
pad.
forget that I have crash pads?
No, but I can't. I love crash pads.
Guys, protect me, protect me! Really? Who's the people? How are we supposed to protect you when Miles has like 20 something health and I have 30?
I have 20. Yeah, we're.
Shots. So stop. I'm trying to get wood
You
here.
know how I get house? This guy probably has bandages. So I'll kill him and then he'll give me bandages.
No, don't kill him, don't kill him, don't kill him. Don't you dare kill him.
He has bandages.
Yeah, he gives me bandages.
Oh, I accidentally shot! Thank you, Gavin, for saving our life. Gavin, can I have bandages?
You have to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, me too.
Why are you guys in the same porta potty? Why are you guys gonna get married?
No. Why would we get married?
Group together. It sounds weird once I say it.
After you, boss. You can go to the toilet first.
Okay. I'm trying to do some work. Get in. Okay, look.
Ronan, get in. Wait, Gavin, get in, Gavin.
Guys, soon I gotta charge, so when the video is over, I gotta go for like.
Okay, Mom.
Hey, I'm still in here.
Oh,
You're blowing me up.
sorry, boss. You're in the way.
Why am I the only person that's far ahead right now?
Well, I was trying to destroy car while Ronan was in it, so I was trying to destroy it so he'll get out of it. also are making it part 2. They had to get out like yesterday. So see you guys. Bye!